my name is Chef Matsuda. I'm the CEO of Sushi Chef Institute. Japan should be in 5 years to 10 years become a sushi chef. Why people coming from all over the world to us? Because we do for a 2 months program for a sushi skill education. We do only teaching 5 things. Making a sushi rice, sharpening a knife, cutting a fish, nigiri, and roll making. Now the chefs are in the United States, roll making. They don't know other 4 things in here. So very difficult to become great chef. Important thing is sushi rice. Rice is about 70% of sushi is rice, so it should be good rice. Secondly, you should know how to sharpen it. You need to cut a lot of items in front of the people. Cutting a fish. You need to cut the fish, that meaning you can get any fish, you can how to do fillet, how to do store. Then we do traditional way is nigiri. We do 6-step, 8-step, we do making nigiri. Roll is very marketable because it's a lot of profit. I moved to United States with just 1 knife. That knife is my master gives me. I was 18 years old. Opportunity should be everywhere in the world. We support finding a job. Very important for me to quality of the chef, quality of the mind, and you have a good skill. So that's why we are here. So please come and join us.